Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Pixel 6 Pro off and ejecting the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits while you work. Next, remove the display adhesive with a heat gun or hairdryer to soften glue. Aim for an even 80-90 degrees C surface temperature. Use a suction cup and pick to lift the screen gaps slowly. Why? Because rushing causes cracks or ribbon cable tears. Once you have a small opening, insert a thin pick and slide it around to separate adhesive without stressing internal connectors. Now you remove internal shields and disconnect the display and battery connectors. This isolates power and prevents shorts. Keep screws sorted. The Pixel 6 Pro uses multiple lengths and misplacing them risks damaging boards. Heat the back of the battery to soften adhesive, then use thin plastic picks or dental floss, never metal, to separate the cell. Work slowly and pry along the edges evenly because bending the battery can puncture it. Once free, lift the battery straight out and compare the new part for matching connectors and capacity. You fit new adhesive strips into the battery bay, align the replacement battery, and connect the battery cable before reseating shields. Once connected, power the phone on to verify boot, battery recognition, and touch responsiveness. This saves rework if a connector is misaligned. If all tests pass, power down, apply final display adhesive, and press the screen firmly to create a seal. Allow adhesive to cure per instructions. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone won't boot, recheck connectors and short screws, then try a soft reset before reopening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.